Hi, I'm Lisa and I've been involved with the National Pharmacies Christmas pageant since 1992. When it's usually in the school ground, we would be doing up to 900 characters. But for the last 2 years, since it's been at the Adelaide Oval, we've modified this, and so we're probably going to be making up around 400 characters this year. So today we're actually going to do a reindeer makeup. Now this makeup you usually see on the Jolly Jingles float, and today we're going to do it with what's just in Mum's makeup bag. So you can do this reindeer makeup at home with your mum's makeup on Pageant Day on the 13th of November.